Sometimes I have difficulty in breathing when I am on my face mask. I had always wanted to create a device that can replace the face mask because the face mask can be so tiring and hurt the ears. My project mate shared the same feeling, so we collaborated to come up with the cushion bot.
We began by drawing our schematic diagram and set up our system of Arduino, buzzer, LED and ultrasonic sensor. After that, we opened up the IDE and started writing our program in C++ language.
When we finished coding, we compiled our codes and it was free of error. And finally, we uploaded it on the Arduino board. Then we started designing the face cap with cardboard. We got a good design and fastened the systems to the face cap. We actually had fun and had a presentation on the assembly ground.
You can see this is our project caution. Anytime you bring your hand 30 seconds, it starts buzzing because the sensor starts sensing your hand. This is the ultrasonic sensor, as you can see. This is the switch, this is the power source, and this is the battery, and this is the main jumper wire, and this is the buzzer here. And this is the Arduino. It is a system of IoT device designed on a cardboard constructed face cap. It is designed to be worn over the head and beeps via a buzzer when your hand or hands or any object approaches your face within 30 centimeters distance. This is possible with the help of an ultrasonic sensor and a LED light, which senses the proximity of any obstacle on its path.
Hello, good morning. My name is Dr. Aisha Kalambi. I'm mother to Zara Fatima Kalambi and her wonderful friend. I came here to review and appreciate these wonderful achievements. I'm really impressed with the thoughts that went into this, the process that went into this, and the encouragement that the school is providing. And it's a wonderful innovation. Thank you so much.